A simple way to show fluids in motion using syringes is to take two syringes and connect them together with some plastic tubing. And then I fill them up with water, and we can press down on the one, which then causes the other to move up. And this is an example of what we often refer to as hydraulics. So note that when I push the larger one up or down a little bit, the smaller one moves through a much larger distance. And if I try to push both, well, because we're dealing with a fluid, they're really not compressible. So this is referred to as hydraulics, using fluids to cause motion. There are many applications of this. One major application is in hydraulic cylinders used on tractors and front-end loaders, bulldozers, cranes, where pistons are caused to move up and down by oil under pressure. So by forcing oil into a cylinder, it causes then the piston to move up or down. And that in turn can be used to exert a force on a blade, for example, from a bulldozer and lift it up or down. Another application involves the hydraulic brake system of an automobile. When you press on the brakes, it pushes the master brake cylinder, which sends fluid down the tubes to each of the individual wheels. And there's a cylinder that presses against the rotor or the wheel drum, creating a lot of friction, which then will stop the automobile. By changing the size of my syringe, I can vary then the distance that the syringe itself moves up and down. So here I have a small one. If I press the small one all the way down, so we've got it all the way up, press it down, note that the other one only goes up a very short distance. If I press the large one, it causes the small one to move up. But I have to exert quite a large force to cause it to move. Here I use a small force to cause the larger one to move up a short distance. And so we can use the syringes as simple machines to cause motion by exerting forces on various objects.